To switch to Google Assistant from Google Gemini, this is the video for you, so simply watch the video till the very end. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to switch to Google Assistant from Google Gemini. Now to do so, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then that way you won't be able to switch back to Google Assistant. Secondly, make sure that you have also installed the Google Gemini app, and also make sure that you are already logged into your account. So if you are not logged into your account, simply log in and tap on the profile icon at the very top right. So in the profile icon, you'll see the option of switch account, upgrade to Google AI Plus, Gemini app activities, instruction for Gemini, connected app, updates, and all of it. And below privacy help hub and above settings, here you'll see the option of switch to Google Assistant. And from here, you just need to tap on the option of Google Assistant and click on the option of switch. So by doing this, if you open Gemini like this, here you'll see the option that you will be welcome again and you won't be able to use the Google Gemini again. So that's it. That's how you can switch from Google Gemini to Google Assistant. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.